What happens when Ferrari takes one of the world's fastest hybrid supercars, removes the roof, adds even more power, and somehow makes it even better? Meet the all-new 2027 Ferrari 849 Testarossa Spider, a breathtaking machine that pushes Ferrari's legendary performance to an entirely new level. Welcome to Future Wheels. If you love the world's most exciting cars, make sure to subscribe, and let's dive right in. The 2027 Ferrari 849 Testarossa Spider replaces the SF90 Spider and builds on everything that made its predecessor special. Under the sculpted bodywork sits a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 paired with 3 electric motors, producing an incredible 1,036 horsepower in qualifying mode. That's 50 horsepower more than the outgoing SF90, making this one of the most powerful production Ferraris ever created. Ferrari says the extra weight from the retractable hardtop barely affects performance, so expect blistering acceleration that's almost identical to the coupe.
The engineering updates go far beyond raw power. Ferrari fitted larger turbochargers, stronger cooling systems, ceramic catalytic converters, and lightweight titanium components to increase performance while meeting stricter emissions regulations. The hybrid system also fills in the torque instantly, making the power delivery incredibly smooth, whether you're cruising through town or launching down a straight.
Visually, the new Spider is designed with function first. Its aggressive front end, dramatic side air intakes, and active rear spoiler aren't just for looks. They help generate around 915 pounds of downforce at 155 miles per hour. The retractable hardtop folds away in just 14 seconds, allowing drivers to enjoy the V8 soundtrack with the roof down while maintaining the coupe's sleek profile when closed. Handling has also received a major upgrade. Ferrari introduced titanium suspension springs that reduce body roll, wider performance tires for increased grip, and an advanced vehicle dynamics system called 5, which constantly analyzes traction and adjusts the steering, brakes, stability control, and all-wheel drive system in real time. The result is a supercar that feels remarkably confidence-inspiring, even when driven at astonishing speeds. Inside, the cockpit remains focused entirely on the driver. A large 16-inch digital display replaces a traditional center screen, while the steering wheel is packed with performance controls inspired by Ferrari's Formula One technology. Cabin space is still tight, but that's a compromise most buyers will gladly accept for a machine capable of delivering such an unforgettable driving experience. Pricing is expected to start at around $600,000 before options, placing the 849 Testarossa Spider firmly among Ferrari's elite offerings. But for those lucky enough to own one, it's far more than just another supercar. It's a showcase of Ferrari's relentless pursuit of speed, technology, and driving emotion. So what do you think of the 2027 Ferrari 849 Testarossa Spider? Is this Ferrari's most exciting hybrid supercar yet, or do you still prefer the SF90? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching Future Wheels, and we'll see you in the next one.